Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents
One, two.
the butterfly knife is known as the Balisong or the Batangas knife. It is a folding pocket knife with two handles which counter-rotate around a tang such that when closed the blade is concealed completely within the grooves of the handle. Custom built Tanto with black scales. This Tanto version has a latch gate to prevent the latch from coming in contact with the blade. It has bronze phosphorus washers, Torex head pivot pins, and all Torex screw construction. This thing's flippin' sick. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com